Okay. Hello, Jack and Chloe. Do you want to say something to Mamie?
Yeah.
What do you want to say? Get your hands off your mouth.
Good morning.
So where is Mamie right now?
In the plane.
Yes. When did she leave?
She leaves when we eat breakfast.
Yeah. So she's in the plane right now, right?
Yeah.
Jaco, what do you want to say to Mamie?
See?
Do you miss Mamie?
Yeah.
Can you say hi, Mamie?
Hi.
I miss you.
I miss you.
You say, and Chloe?
Hi, Mimi. I miss you.
And we hope Mamie had a good trip in the plane. And are we gonna see Mamie soon?
Yeah, and my birthday we're going to see Mimi.
Okay, say bye bye.
Bye.